Thank you so much for stopping by to watch my tutorials. My name is Samira. If you are seeing my tutorial for the first time, guys, please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can like, comment, and please you can also turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new tutorial like this. You'll be the first to see it and watch it. So guys, today I'll be teaching you how to cut and sew simple bubu kaftan dress. Going to also have front design, and I'm using 2 yards of crepe material to achieve this style, and I'm going to also use Duchess material, small black material, to attach on the neckline. Please keep on watching for you to see the outcome of this test, and let's get started now with our tutorial for today. So this is the material that we are using, is crepe material. So I'm folding my 2 yards of crepe material into 4 because I'm putting the front piece and the back piece together. So I will start by taking the length of my dress. My length is by 59 inch, okay? So the width is by 13 inch, all right? So I'm marking 13 inch for the width. So now my neckline, I'm going by 3.5 inch. So it's by 3.5 inch. So I'm bringing out the depth of my neckline by 7 inch. Okay, so I'll just curve it because it's going to have a V neckline. It's not too V, it's not too sharp. The V is like U also. Alright, so the back, I'm marking the back by 3.5 inch. Alright, the depth is by 1.5 inch. Alright, so I'm just sloping my shoulder by 1 inch. Okay, so guys, please keep on watching so that you can see the outcome of this style that we are making. Alright, so from my shoulder where I'm going to form the sleeve, I'm going to mark 9 inch. So I'm marking 9 inch where the sleeve will form, and now is my bust. I'm going by 46 inch for my bust. Okay, so I'll add 1.5 inch for my sewing allowance. Alright, you can see how simple the style is. What I'll do now, I'll just connect all the marks together, then I'll take it down. Okay, so guys, don't forget we are using crepe material to achieve this style, and it's 2 yards of this material. That's what we are using to achieve this style that we are making. Don't forget we are making bubu kaftan dress, going to have front design on the neck, and I'm going to use Duchess material, very small pieces of it, to design it on the neckline. It's a very simple style for you to learn how to cut and sew on your own. Please keep on watching this tutorial to the end because you are going to learn a lot after watching this tutorial to the end, guys. And please don't forget to click the red button under my video to subscribe now. You can share, like, comment, and also let me know what you think about this tutorial by watching this tutorial to the end. It's another way for you to support this channel to grow. Please keep on watching to the end. So don't forget we are using crepe material, and it's 2 yards of it to achieve this style that we are making today, bubu kaftan stylish dress that we are making today. You can also pause, you can also stop by and check my other tutorial that I have on my channel. Alright, so guys, keep on watching it, this particular tutorial to the end for you to follow up this style that we are making. So I'll just pull it out the front neckline, okay, because I want to cut the back. Alright, please, it's actually the front neckline that I want to cut now. Remember, it's V neckline, but it's going to have a curve. The V is not sharp, it's going to have a curve on it. Please just watch the way I'll cut it out. Okay, so this is how to cut it out. Just watch the way I'm going to cut it out, so you can see the way I'm curving my chalk, so you can see how it is. Just follow the procedure and remember the measurement that we use. Alright, so you can see the way I'm cutting it. The V neckline is not in the middle. Okay, So just for you to follow the pattern that I'm using to cut it, you'll be able to cut your own when making your own. You can see I'm using my scissors to follow the neckline so that I'll be able to cut it out well. So guys, keep on watching for you to see the outcome of the style that we are making today. So I will show you how to also go about cutting the black design on the neckline. So this is the black design that we are using to cut the neckline. It's actually small pieces of Duchess material that we are using to design the neckline. Alright, so please watch the way I'm going to place the main fabric on the black pieces of material. You can see the way I'm placing it. So the neckline is already on the main fabric. So you just use your scissors to trace it. You just use it to cut it on the black. You understand? So just follow the process. I'm trying to arrange it. But first you need to place the black fabric first. Then you now put the main fabric on the black. Then you use your chalk and trace the neckline. So you can see it. You can see how simple it is. So you just trace it. Then after tracing it with your chalk, then you just use your scissors to follow the chalk that you have chalk on the black and use it to cut it. It's very simple. So after cutting it, I'll take it to the machine. Then I'll run a stitch on it. I'll iron it, and you'll see the outcome of the style. It's a very beautiful style. You can see it now. Very beautiful. So what we'll do, we'll place it on the fabric. So I'm marking from my shoulder 9.5 inch and I will curve it. The width is 3.5. Alright, so you can see, because I want to trim it, you know, it has a design on it, the black. So this is how to go about it. So I'm marking from the shoulder, I'm marking 9.5 inch, then the width is 3 inch, while the other side the width is 4 inch. Okay, then you now curve it. You can see the way I'm doing it. So this is how to go about it. So when cutting it out, you now use your tape rule. So you can see what I just said now is 4 inch the width. Okay, so you just use your tape rule, then you use your chalk and trace it, and use your scissors then to cut it out. You can see the chalk where I marked the chalk. That's where you just use your scissors to trim it out, and your front design will be ready. It's very simple. Just follow the procedure that we used in cutting it. Alright, you'll be able to cut your own. So after cutting it out, what I will do, I will iron it. Then before we'll run a stitch on it, then we'll now place it on the main dress that we are making today. It's a stylish style, very simple and easy to cut and sew on your own. Alright, I hope you are following up, guys. Please keep on watching the tutorial down to the end so that you'll be able to see the outcome of the style that we are making today. You can see how beautiful it is, the front design is. Okay, so this is the black Duchess that we are going to use on the band. You know, the sleeve is cut together. We cut the sleeve together with the main dress. So I'll go for my length, which is 16 inch, and the width is by 2.5 inch. So that's just it. It's very simple. Just attach it to the band of the sleeve to complete the sleeve. Alright, so after cutting it, I'll run a stitch on it, then we'll iron it and attach it to the main dress. Okay, so you can see the outcome of the design. So we just attach the band on the sleeve and our outfit will be ready. You can see how simple it is to cut and sew on your own. So this is the outfit that we just made now. Simple bubu kaftan dress. It has front design on it. Don't forget we made use of 2 yards of crepe material and small pieces of Duchess material. I hope you understood what we did today, and I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, guys. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe. You can like, comment, and give this video a thumbs up. And please don't forget to also check my other tutorial on my channel. You can turn on your notification bell to get notified so that you can see my new tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you all. Bye bye.